Yeah, this will be good this winter to put.
Yeah, anything out here. Golf cart, car. All right, getting ready to move out this monster piece of antique farm equipment. 1909 it was built, I think, right? Yeah, 1909. Oh boy. Oh, do I need to move the little logs and stuff in front of it?
Please.
It's not gonna follow me, right?
No.
Shit. Are you sure? Woo! All right. I cleaned it up real good. We don't have 2 horses, number one, and even if we did, we wouldn't be using horse-drawn fertilizer. And we need space in the back of the barn here. Oh boy. We had to put a whole new piece of equipment on it to carry this. Let's see if it works. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it is scary working with farm equipment, I'll tell you that much. Yep. Don't stand behind it in case it falls off, right? Oh my gosh. What a special piece of farm equipment. I told him I want to bring it to the front of the property at some point. And yes, put mums and stuff all in it. Big, giant, colorful mums. Cool. I'm hoping the wheels don't fall off here. It's looking a little wobbly. Can you imagine horses pulling this? My gosh, this thing weighs a ton. No horses are strong, but jeez. We've been moving all our farm equipment from JC, Chris's father, down here into the property. So much farm equipment. He was a big agricultural farmer. But this piece, we don't know why he ever even had it. He never used it. He never had horses. But it was given to JC, Chris's father, by their neighbor, Marvin Smith, George Marvin Smith. And I believe George was born in 1909, if I'm not mistaken, as well as this piece was made in 1909. It's a fertilizer and cedar. This is like a huge moment. Wow.